If you're an Etsy seller, it's important to always keep your mind 4 months ahead when it comes to releasing seasonal items. This gives your listings time to generate engagement, helping to rank higher in search before their intended season hits. Which means that sellers who list their items early may see huge algorithmic benefits, including higher ranking in search. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to discover Etsy's most search trending products and keywords using eRank's suite of tools. When it comes to seasonal or holiday items, it can be especially hard to predict what will trend, as well as the best time to list those items. Etsy tells us that new listings get shuffled around for a short boosted window while they monitor how shoppers interact with those listings in search. Then Etsy assigns those items a listing quality score based on that shopper interaction. So to rank higher in search, you want to list those items way before the season that you hope to actually sell them. For example, we can see that last year on Etsy, shoppers began searching for Halloween as early as June, and this term is already trending in search. This means that sellers who wait until August or even September to list their Halloween items are missing out on several months of high converting traffic. A good rule of thumb is to look at your local craft stores. When they start listing products for a specific season or holiday, that's your cue to get your products listed as well. Let's pop over to my screen where I'll show you how to do your own trend research using eRank. We're starting from my eRank dashboard, where we'll first click on the Trends menu. From here, I recommend starting with the Monthly Trends tool because it will allow you to really narrow down on your specific industry, whereas the Trend Buzz tool will show you the top 100 searches on Etsy as a whole. If you're currently using a free plan, you'll unfortunately only be able to see the top 5 most popular trending searches. So for deep diving, you'll want to check out eRank Pro or eRank Expert plans. From my Expert account, I'm going to select one of the categories from the drop-down menu here. If I'm a print-on-demand mug shop who wants to see what trends are rising in my industry, I would want to scroll down to the POD category, and I'll select mugs. From here, I'm going to begin sifting through the top 100 searches containing the word mug on Etsy. And I'm going to pay special attention to these little green trend graphs to the right of the table. These graphs allow you to do a bit of predictive analysis in order to anticipate what will trend this year. For example, we can see that mama mugs were extremely popular last May, which means that if I want to list mama mugs this year, it's best to get them listed as soon as possible. Remember, if something was popular last year, it's very likely that the same item will be popular again this year as well. We can also use these trend graphs to identify new rising trends that may just now be making an entrance into the marketplace. For example, in the shirts category, we can see that the term nurse shirt is on the rise. Based on these search patterns, it's easy to predict that this trend will continue going up. If you want to get even more in-depth, you can click on any of the terms from the monthly trend report to open the keyword tool, which will show you useful information such as the monthly average searches for that term, the clicks and click-through rate, and the level of competition that you can expect for that term. It will also help to give you additional trend ideas by displaying a list of related search terms that shoppers are looking for. For example, after clicking nurse shirt, we can also see more specific terms related to this keyword, many having lower competition, like ER nurse shirt, NICU nurse shirt, ICU nurse shirt, or even holiday-themed nurse shirts. Anytime I give a demonstration of how I personally hunt for trends, sellers often bring up that they can't find any good trending ideas for the specific products that they make. So let me show you a little trick that can help you to generate even more ideas. Let's say that you sell men's t-shirts and are looking for ideas for Father's Day. Rather than only checking the shirts tab, try the toys and games tab. From here, we can see that a lot of terms related to tabletop gaming are trending. And though you can't use the term Dungeons & Dragons in your products or listings, as this term is owned by Wizards of the Coast, you can make dragon-themed shirts. If D&D is trending in games, it's likely to assume that other dragon-themed items like shirts, mugs, and prints may become popular as well. Like I said previously, just be cautious of protected terms and themes, because even if people are searching for these terms, you can get in big trouble for using them in your listings. Exploring Etsy's top trends is a great way to brainstorm new product ideas or even to rethink some of the keywords that you are already using in your listings. Just remember, it's best not to chase every trend that you see, especially if it's a niche that has nothing to do with what you sell. Instead, think of creative ways to incorporate trends into your existing product lines if they make sense for you. If you sell wall art and notice that matcha is trending, you likely wouldn't begin selling matcha in your shop, but it may be worth your time to create some matcha-themed prints to sell alongside your existing wall art. I hope this video encourages you to explore a few new trending rabbit holes with the monthly trends tool. And as always, be sure to click the subscribe button for even more eRank tutorials from the team. And join Pam Duffy and I live every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern for our weekly Q&A right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.